The Criteria Cognitive Aptitude Test (CCAT) is a general pre-employment aptitude test which measures your problem-solving abilities, basic learning skills, and critical thinking. Let me tell you some known facts about the CCAT exam. The number of questions will be 50 and all questions carry equal points. The exam duration is 15 minutes. There is no negative marking for wrong options and calculators are not allowed. As you know, CCAT is all about time management. Questions would be simple to moderate level. While reading a question, you won't feel it hard, but on an average, you will get only 18 seconds to answer a question. Let us have a look at various topics that are to be focused in CCAT preparation. First one is numerical ability. It deals with basic math operations, percentages, averages, ratios, number series, etc. Next one is reasoning ability. It deals with seating arrangements, word analogies, and logical conclusions. Spatial aptitude is another topic which deals with 2D pictorial puzzle solving. Another topic is verbal ability, which mainly tests the knowledge in English vocabulary synonyms in the form of fill in the blanks. These 4 topics are to be extensively covered at a fundamental level.